this is Sohini at Dabble Lab, and welcome to Coding with Sohini episode 2. And today we're gonna do awesome stuff as usual. But before I begin, I just would want to mention a few stuff, and I would love to get started as quick as possible. So first off, I got Daniella on the chats with me tonight, and she's gonna help you as well with the questions that you've got. And so I'd like you all to say a hi to her, and a hi to you all from my end. And thanks for joining in tonight with me. So today we're gonna learn how to host a Discord bot. And I think in our previous stream we learned how to create a basic Discord bot using Node.js. So our bot used to be more like it used to whenever you just said something to the bot, it used to come back with your favorite color kind of thing. So today we're gonna make some kinds of modifications for this, and then we're gonna push this up. But before that, I also wanted to share that we've got a Discord channel. It's not super into function currently, but we've got a couple of you in between this, so I would love to share the invite link with you all. So what I'll do is I'll copy this and I will paste it in here. Perfect. So if you are new and if you haven't yet joined our Discord channel, then you can join our Discord channel and you can dabble around with us as well. Really sorry for the break. I streamed a couple of long time back, and then I was in the middle of nowhere. I wasn't there, and I'm back again. So let's get started. But before that, I wanna know if the audio is good, sound, music, my voice, and if the video is good and internet good. So can anyone confirm that to me on the chats if you're watching me? I can see some people watching me right now. If you can, then please to confirm me if everything's good and I can just go ahead. Waiting for your response. Okay, Utkarsh says all good. Thank you so much. So the first thing that I am planning to do today is, so previously what used to happen is when we used to turn this bot on, we were interacting directly with this bot. We used to just say intro bot and just go and say Sohini, and this used to respond back with this, and mostly the responses went back to our channel. So I just want to set up a channel so that instead of just pulling up the intro bot, you can go and interact with the channel, and the channel would come back with your favorite color. So how can we establish that? So let's create one more channel in here, and let's name it as, let's say, favorite color. Let that be it, and let's create the channel. Perfect. So now we can edit the description and stuff for this channel. So in here, whenever we'll write like your name, you write your name, then it's gonna respond back with your favorite color. So for that, the first thing that we need to change is parts of our code. So normally when we're sending a message back to the bot, to Discord, to a user, it is message.channel.send. So this is gonna be replaced with something like client.channels. We've got clients, so it's gonna be client in here. But then if you have any questions for me, then do not forget to let me know on it. So I will help you with an answer to that question. And inside of this, we will put the, what's that? Our channel ID. So when we try to do this and when we copy and get back and just put some double quotes in here. This. So this way we can send a response back to a channel. So this is the change that we did, and let's just stop it and run it again. So I did it against my name. So now if I go into this and write my name, so the response is coming back in this channel, but I gotta establish this for all of them, else this isn't gonna work. This code is a bit of, like messed up currently, because this is a scenario when we've got minimal names, but when we want to have more names, then it's going to be larger. So in that case, an array is preferable. So we can create another .js file that would just contain kind of a map. Let's say Sohini white, Brito blue, Kartike orange. So these are the people who were there in my stream the previous nights. So I got all their favorite names, and I got all their names and their favorite colors. So do we have any questions yet? Shivam says great content. Thank you so much. So I think now it's time I will teach you how to host a Discord bot. So hosting a Discord bot is very easy. So the best thing about this is if you're trying to do it through Replit, so this is awesome. If you got a Replit hacker account, when you click on this part, you can see there's an option that says always on. So this way your REPL will never fall asleep. So you can turn this on and just opt out of this. This is gonna stay alive. It's gonna be online forever. So that way, that is number one, you can host it. But this is only for 5 REPLs. You can do this only for 5 REPLs, and never again you can do this. So that is another drawback. Now the question is, what if you don't have a Replit hacker account? How are you gonna do it for free? So people have YouTube videos on Heroku app, or someone would host it through Firebase or something like that. But I just read an article about this thing, the Uptime Robot, and that's awesome. So using that, you can keep this alive. But before that, we need a server, we need a framework, we need a web framework for this. So we're going to be using the Express server for this. Express is super cool, and it's easy and free to use. So, and one more thing, if you're new to my stream, and if you're thinking that the content is super useful and helpful, do not forget to hit a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know, you can show your love only by doing that. Thank you. So now what I'm gonna do is get inside the npm js.org, or it's npmjs.com. It's gonna open the Bomber API. I'm not sure if you're aware of the Bomber API, but that's super cool. But unfortunately, I couldn't understand any of the language in it, because it was Russian most probably, but it spams you. Have you ever SMS spammed anybody, or have you ever spammed with calls to anybody? Do let me know if you have, and if you haven't, you can go and Google that today and try that with someone, or maybe with one of your friends. So here, if you go to npmjs.com and search for Express, it's going to open up. So it's fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node. You have the code in here. You don't have to write too much. So you can directly install npmi express through your shell. Or what I'm going to do is copy this part and paste it in there right away. So now I'm going to get inside my this part, and then I will copy this. So it's going to be slightly different, this part. Hold on a second. Okay, so it's gonna be slightly different. I'm gonna remove the function from here. Open this up itself. And in here, it's all same. I will remove the curly braces and keep it as simple as possible. Yeah. So I guess that's it. Now I will write code so that this can be heard. So this is this was also in here, I guess. Yeah. But along with this, I would also log it. So logging is super essential just in case there is something in your code that is unexpected, then it's gonna show up when you log something up. So I'm gonna log this part. Let's say example express server for favorite color bot. Okay, so that's gonna be the simplest message, and let's stop it. Now you're gonna see the change, and let's begin. Okay, so it says hello world because this was the message that we sent. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this link. This is what is gonna be super handy and useful for us when we go to Uptime Robot. So now I will open up let's say Uptime Robot, and in here, if you have an account, it's well and good. If you don't, then you can go ahead and register for a fresh new account. So I have an account and I'm logged in, so I'm gonna go to my dashboard. So what happens in Uptime Robot is let's say you've got an application that needs to be running for hours, or let's say an application that needs to be awake all the time. So using Express, you can create those servers, and using Uptime Robot, you can create a monitor. So this monitor is gonna keep checking for new pings every 5 seconds, every 5 minutes. I think that was the timer. It cannot go more than that. I'm not quite sure. I think it's they've got this upgraded account. So if you've got an upgraded account, then you can try to monitor something for more than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. Let's say you have an application and you want that to keep monitoring new pings every 1 second. For that, you need to have a paid account, and that is what you need to do when you go to upgrade. But every 5 minutes is okay until and unless you're looking into a production-based application project or something production ready ones. So right now we're dabbling around with personal applications, personal bots that we're creating just to dabble around and learn. So it's not super important that you need a monitor that monitors in every 1 minute or monitors every 1 second. So what I'm gonna do is hit on add new monitor. In here it's gonna be HTTPS, and let's say what's the name? It's ColorBot. Then in here I will paste this one, so I will copy this and paste it in here. Now here you see it monitors every 5 minutes. So if I just try to lessen it, it says you can set 5 minutes as the lowest monitoring interval on the free plan, upgrade to pro plan, and be notified 5x faster. So that's a thing. I guess that's it. So now let's say you want to have the alerts notified back to you, then you can set this one. You can opt for this. Doing this, you will be notified in your email about what's going on and what's not. So now you can create the monitor, and it's gonna come up. So that's it. and you can see Colorbot in here. I'm gonna do a refresh to see if it is turned green. Not yet. So I think I will stop it and start it again. Okay, so this one's in the console. We logged it. This one's in here. It is in here. And now if I close it, so my Rappler is closed now. I'm gonna get back to this. We still see it's online. So now let me type my name. See, that's it. So it's not gonna actually affect you. So now the question is, like, what's the deal with 5 minutes and 1 minute? So let's say the bot is working now. Let's say it's 9:47 p.m. at my place right now. It's monitoring. So it's monitored, and this is the response I got back. But instantly, if I just say when it turns 9:48, let me just see. Let's wait for the clock to strike 9:48. So that time, if I again type it, it might not respond, but it might give the response after 4 or 5 minutes prior to the last time it responded. So that's going to be the kind of drawback in this kind of scenario. So 2 scenarios. One is if you have the 1 minute monitoring, then it's going to respond back in every 1 minute. And if it is a 5 minute bar, it's going to respond back after 5 minutes. So that's how it is. This was the second way you can host. So it's 9:48. Let me try. Okay, for some reason, I don't know, the wild bot said this, but it's fine. Anyway, it still responded. That's a great thing. Well, I haven't done lots of testing with this thing about what this what could be more drawbacks, but to me this is how it's gonna work. So I guess today I think I finished up too quick, but still I just want to say these were just 2 ways to host a Discord bot, but trust me, there are more ways to host a Discord bot. You can do it using Firebase, you can do it using Heroku app, and there could be more. But I would really love to know what are some other great ways we can do. Like using the Express server is good. You're getting a solution to bring it into the website framework, your application to that level. But I'm not quite sure what could be kind of an alternative for Uptime Robot. So if you're watching me right now, how about you come and let me know the next time what according to you is a great solution that stands close to Uptime Robot. Alrighty, so that was the part that I wanted to discuss about in the Discord side. Apart from that, I also said, Daniella just wrote her name. But trust me, Daniella, I didn't make some changes to the code. Let me just do it right away so that you can see your favorite color. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna get back to Replit and I will open the code. And then you'll be able to see your favorite color. Just gotta make some changes. Okay, so this is it. Here, I'll add another if block. So this is for you, Daniela. If you're in there, hold on tight. I will set your name. I remember you said your favorite color is black. Actually, I could have added you in here, but it's fine. I'll just... black. Let's say... definitely black. I'm not sure if I am quite visible. I'm not quite sure if I'm visible, if someone can confirm that to me. Because my frames dropped because of the power cut. And was lost. Oh, okay. Is it good now? Okay, fine. I think it's good now. I can see myself moving. Yeah, I can see. All right, I'm so sorry. So I had a power cut and it just all got lost like hell. And this keeps happening. I live in a village and it's horrible in here. The power cut thing. Really sorry. All right, I just added Daniella's name in here and I will do a short refresh so that I'm sure that this is working. Okay, alright. So the only thing that I would be making a change to will just be this part. I will copy this in here. And I will run this. I think it's already running. Yeah, so this is what it is. So I just... Okay, so... Yeah, let's try Daniella now. Okay, let me turn it on. Just overrided it maybe for some reason. Yeah, it's working now. Now let me type her name. Okay. Daniella, can you please try the same and let me know if this is working? I see Shivam with me as well. Can you tell me your favorite color? I'm gonna add that to the code as well. And yes, that's working, Daniela. So this is the way you do it. And I have also pushed this to GitHub. So that way, what's gonna happen is if you want to have your name in this and your favorite color, and also if you don't mind joining our Discord server, then every time you go to this channel and you write in your name, this bot's gonna come up with your favorite color. So the intro bot is the kind of responder for this particular channel. So that is it. So I think these are a couple of things that I wanted to share today. Also, apart from that, I wanted to talk about the course I was working in for a long time now. So if you go to learn.dabblelab.com, then you can find my course in here. So this is the course I was working in for a long time, and that was the reason I was away for a long time. So this course is a typical introduction, and there are doubles to Amazon Comprehend. These are the chapters precisely. If you go to this website, you'll be able to see. I will share this link on the chat so that you can go through and check this. So I have added all these stuff for you to understand. I got code samples as well and everything that I've covered. So this is the chapter that I'm working on right now, building a Discord bot using comprehend methods. I think I shared a comprehend bot with you all where we had this sentiment analyzer. So I'm working on a couple of all these as well right now, but this course is free to use if you really want to get in and learn more about Amazon Comprehend. Then you can go to this course and request early access. So it's going to show up differently in your website. Since I'm logged in, it's different now. You can log in, request access, and you can try this. There are coupon codes and there are really awesome stuff. So you gotta make sure that you get into this and you will get some discount codes as well. So the thing is, if you're gonna really request an early access to the course, and then you can review and let us know what you think about this course. So yeah, so these are all the stuff that I wanted to discuss for today. Coming next Friday again, I will be doing some more cool stuff. So all you gotta do is stay tuned, stay along, and we're gonna dabble around something new again next Friday. So till now and then, have a great rest of your time, your weekend, and take good care of yourself. Learn something new and let me know how did you learn your new stuff next week. So till then, have a great time. Thank you so much for watching me tonight. Bye bye.